Okay, amazing moon tonight, August 26, 2021, right here in Rizal. Right, filming with the Sony A6000 attached to my Tasco Luminova 4.5-inch 900mm Newtonian Astronomical Telescope. Let's do a ×2. Okay. Amazing. This is already on ×2 digital zoom on the A6000 body. Look at that pictures. There's a thick cloud covering it, so I have to raise the ISO to ISO 250, and with the shutter speed at 1/20 seconds, but still you can see the details. There you go. I hope you liked the video of the moon tonight. Okay. Thanks for watching, and good night.